An MDC supporter has appeared in court on charges of violating the Electoral Act after he allegedly defaced campaign posters for a Citizens for Coalition Change (CCC) National Assembly candidate in Epworth. Adam Kazim, 55, allegedly defaced campaign posters for CCC Member of Parliament (MP) candidate in Epworth, Earthridge Kariva. He appeared before Harare magistrate Ukide Zuda, who remanded him out of custody on ZW $5,000 bail. It is alleged that an CCC activist happened to be present when Kazim and other 3 accomplices were in the midst of tearing down the CCC posters near Domboramwari Primary School in Epworth. The matter was reported to the police on March 4, resulting in Kazim's arrest.